Hello everyone, this is Himanshu Ranjan. Today I came up with one very important information related to CMA. CMA Institute today released one important notification for merged examination of intermediate and final December 2020. It is the merged examination for both June 2020 and December 2020 examination. And this term December 2020, the student will have to they have option, they have to select whether they have to give examination by home based or center based, and if they didn't want to give examination in this attempt, whether due to his health issue or any other reason, then they have the option they have to take a opt out option, and their fees will be carried forward to their next attempt. And the option that home based and center based, a student has to select whether he has to give home based or center based. Its last date is 12th November 2020. Every students who wanted to give home based, whether home based or center based, they has to select their options before 12th November 2020 is the last date. And the important information is also related to this notification, that there will be no negative marking in this December 2020 examination. There will be no negative marking. That is also a big relief for the students. And one more related information is that those students who didn't have laptop or PC, then they are not eligible, because mobiles are not allowed in this attempt. Mobile phone are not allowed in examination, but mobile phone are allowed only for mock test examination. So friends, those who didn't have laptop or PC, then you have to select center based. So now I have to read this notification. The Institute of Cost Accountant of India has conducted intermediate and final examination. Option 1, they have to take examination whether you have an option to select home based or center based, and if you didn't want to give examination in this attempt, then you have to take options to take opt out examination, and this your fees will be carried forward to their next attempt, next term. ठीक है. Most important line I will discuss. The merged examination of intermediate and final examination will be conducted through online mode. Online mode examination will be conducted. First one is center based, and second one option is home based option. Candidate or students have to appear intermediate and final examination from examination center through online by selecting the option given in the link in one link is given. There you have option to select whether you want to give examination in online mode or फिर home based. In this center based is related information, same thing here given also, center based, home based. Link is given, you have to select whether you want to give home based or फिर center based. And here is given that candidate or student must have PC or laptop or tablet with internet connectivity and power backup to appear in online examination. You have laptop and PC, then only you are eligible to give examination. And if any technical failure like internet connectivity or problem with PC or laptop or tablet will be sole responsibility of the candidate. Whole responsibility on the candidate if there is any internet issue or power backup is there, if power is gone. The institute will not held responsible for it. The institute will not held responsible बोल रहा है. And the detailed instruction for home based online examination will be released in website in due course. Okay. In case of selection of center based online examinations, candidate can appear in examination as per their selected examination center in submitted examination form, application form, and examination center will be provided in admit card. Supply your blank sheet will be provided during the examination in examination center. For all the candidate or students, including both center based and home based, mock test will be released by institute for intermediate and foundation. They have already released mock test, but for final examination from now today onwards, from today, cm institute already released mock test for intermediate and final, but they didn't released mock test for final examination up to now. But institute will released a mock test for final examination within 48 hours. Mobile phones are not allowed, but mobile phones are not allowed during the examination, but mobile phones are allowed during mock test examination. You can check your एग्जामिनेशन पैटर्न वेदर इट इज सब्जेक्टिव या फिर ऑब्जेक्टिव. यू कैन चेक वेदर इन मोबाइल आल्सो इन मॉक टेस्ट एग्जामिनेशन. MTP you can solve it in your mobile also. The last date for filing of credentials means 12th November 2020. Means all the important information related to examination, your mobile phone, your mobile number, and your email ID, your present email ID and mobile number you have to give in. You have to fill in that below link. Then you will get all the notification related information of in examination on this mobile number and email also. Once you have selection and option to appear in said examination, opt out, no request will be entertained to change the option that is home based or center based. Once you select the option of opt out, then there is no option to change their option that you have to appear in home based or center based, and vice versa. Question paper will contain MCQ also and descriptive type question also, and so that the students will have to, so that institute will judge subjective knowledge and analytical skill of the students. For all the candidate and students, including both center-based examination and home-based, online notification, login in credential and pass key for the examination will be provided in your registered email and your mobile through SMS. That point I have already discussed. This point also I have already discussed. There will be no negative marking in the examination for wrong answer. And in question paper there shall be 2 alternative question will be there. You have option. You have 2 options in the examination. You can leave 2 questions. There will be 2 alternative, and one most important line is there will be no negative marking in the examination. The Directorate of Study has already launched online mock test platform with multiple practice series and exhaustive guidelines for intermediate students. For intermediate students, already institute has released MTP so that the students has practice, and they have also know how is the paper pattern in December 2020 examination, and the online platform for final students will be activated soon. I have already tell you that online MTP will be released for final students within 48 hours. Students are requested to practice those series meticulously and repeatedly to understand the question pattern and to acquaint with the online platform. Relevant notification, instruction, login, credential and URL link will be given in due course. A candidate या students who is completing all the conditions for appearing in examination as per regulation will only appear to in the examination. Okay. Probable date for publication of result to be announced in due course. Result date is also here written, but is what is the date of declaration of result is didn't mention here, but it will be released, but it will be announced soon. The candidate students are advised to keep regularly in touch with the website of the institute for further notification and announcement related to must examination of intermediate and final examination of December 2020 examination. In case of any query and clarification, can email us. Those student who has filled any program या query related to examination, they has to email to the institute. This email ID is given exam.helpdesk@icmi.in or exam.online@icmi.in. If any students has filled any query related to examination, then they has to send email on this email ID. So friends, this is the very important information. Today CMA Institute has released for the students of intermediate and final students. And the friends, one information from my side is that from today onwards I am released so many MCQ for all the subjects. So if you want to see all the important MCQ related to examination, so please like my videos and subscribe my channel so that you will get all the important notification related to examination and important MCQ related to examination. So thank you.